Hi guys, so today we're making Niger party jollof. So first, I already washed my rice with salt. I'm just going to be adding hot water and set aside. This is exactly 4 cups of rice. So if you are cooking 4 cups of rice, the accurate measurement and ingredient is going to be on the description box. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. Now I heat up my oil and I added my chopped onion and fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. So now I added my tin tomatoes and fried for about 7 to 10 minutes. Guys, we are not in a hurry to do this, okay? Just keep stirring and stirring and stirring so it doesn't get burnt. Guys, our tin tomato is well fried. So now I'm adding our tomato mix. This is a mixture of tatashe, atarodo, shombo, and of course tomatoes already steamed. So I'm just going to leave this and fry for another 10 minutes. So while frying this, let's go and check on our rice. So back to our jollof based stew. I added some curry powder, thyme, bay leaf, salt, seasoning cube, and garlic and ginger paste. So now I added hot water. You can actually use any temperature of your choice. My chicken stock will come later. So guys, this is the secret to make a perfect Niger jollof. Your heat should be very low, please. So guys, after adding my stock, I left this for like 10 minutes and guys, this is smoky Niger jollof. Now this is totally optional. I added some butter, diced carrots and onion guys, and I left this for another 5 minutes. And yes guys, our jollof is ready. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.